What's up, guys? This is Nick back in here with another video, and today I'm doing some PG4s. Some, I guess this must have been a good ass hooping shoe because a lot of people have been asking me to work on this shoe, which I really don't like because that material is terrible. But I can make it work, so we'll make it keep doing what it do. But today doing my favorite characters again. I don't know what's up with these two niggas, but they seem to be real popular. I'm surprised ain't nobody been asking me to do Naruto and Sasuke that much, but I don't like Sasuke no fucking way, so I wouldn't want to do that anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna try to do something more like this, different with more of a galaxy theme, and then kind of put like some lightning on there. I normally don't do that, but I'm gonna see how that looks. But let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the progress.